And today we're going to be looking at this REBRA 25-piece screw extractor set. It's multi-splined, and basically what it is if you have a screw that the head is broken off or a bolt with the head rounded off, you can take a drill and you can drill the center out of that and then use these to get it extracted out of there for you. And there's a couple other scenarios that I think that you could possibly use this, and I'm going to get into that as well. But let's go ahead, open it up, and take a look at what you're going to get inside. And here it is. Check this out. Now what you're going to see is that you do get sizes from 1/8 inch all the way up to 7/8 inch. So that's quite a big gap. That's almost a full 1 inch, which that would have to be a very big bolt. But I'm going to tell you what these can also be used for. The bigger ones like this one can be used things also like in plumbing. If you are working on old pipes and the threads break off inside of a connector, you can put this inside of like a 1-inch pipe or a 3/4 inch pipe and actually extract that piece out, so you don't have to change out the whole connector. You can just get the broken threads out and put in your new piece of pipe. So very nice and convenient to have extractors that go all the way up to this size. I have used them also for like smaller plumbing uses, like copper fittings and bronze fittings, and even on some devices that use air fittings and stuff, the plastic will snap off, and you can use these to get those snapped off threads right out of the device. But I'm going to demonstrate this for you real quick. We have a piece of wood here with a bolt in the top. We're just going to drill out the center of this, and then we're going to use the small extractor here and see if it can actually bite on the hole enough to get that screw out. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so let's see. We're going to be using a 1/8 inch extractor. So let's find us a drill bit. So we're going to go with an 1/8 inch drill bit. We'll try that. Now they are tapered. They're narrow at the bottom and they do get slightly taller at the top. So you do have a little bit of flexibility with the drill bits. Well, let's go ahead and try to drill the center of this. Alright, so as you can see, let me get it up closer for you. I've drilled a little hole in there. Now, of course, for this bolt, it's a new bolt, so you wouldn't need it for that. But if this was rounded off, or if this was actually broke off off of the piece of wood, or off into an engine block, or a motorcycle, or a bicycle, then you could drill it and use the extractor. So now that we have the hole, we'll just take the extractor and we'll actually screw it in to the hole itself. And you can take a wrench and put it on to the extractor itself. And you can see right there. And this is a 4-inch screw driven into a chunk of oak. So it grips and works very well, as you can see. It did not even slip the slightest. It bit straight into it with no issues whatsoever. We almost got it out. And check that out. And that's the smallest extractor. So, and look how well it's bit on there. I'm going to have to use a pair of pliers just to get it off. So that's how well it bites and how well it works. Overall, a very nice set. You're going to get all the sizes that you need to get out pretty much any size screw, and even some pipe fittings and air fittings and things like that. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.